What was that?
Oh boy.
Requesting air support. Sending in an eagle. Sending in an eagle. Reinforcing. Requesting orbital strike. Calling in reinforcements. Calling down a support weapon. Requesting air support.
Can we? I don't know where to put this. Oh, I'm not gonna call it.
Bag's empty.
I don't know if I can get up that way. I'll just keep it there. Is that a
You
bio?
guys calling a supply drop up here?
Where?
New mag.
No, did you?
Nah, I didn't.
Oh, I see it right in front of me here.
Requesting sentry.
Northwest. Close. Calling in orbital strike. Mission at 10 minutes remaining. Heavy northwest.
Let me walk.
Oh,
New
I
mag.
heard a little bit.
Requesting fortification.
50 meters.
Sweet Liberty. Sweet. How's it going, Chimney? I can, we'll see. The next time one of these guys leave, I'll, invite you if you're down. Have you been playing a lot of this? I saw you on, like, the other day. Oh, shit, we got some guys coming in.
Requesting advanced weaponry. I'm out.
Nice.
How'd you like to taste some freedom? Heavy east close.
That's for me. Now head to the extraction point.
No, don't hit me.
Freedom forever!
Oh. I don't know how I like did a 360 leap for.
Oh, yeah, oh, we're surrounded by.
Last reload.
Alright, we should get out of here.
Yeah, maybe I'm
Kind of obsessed, it's just so
chasing
fun.
good. Oh, or I just get kicked.
Calling in reinforcements.
No, why?
Calling down a support weapon.
No.
Request approved. Deploying reinforcements.
And the battle tank is just camping my.
I'm out. Calling in
Shit.
orbital strike.
Okay, I got one.
Tagging location.
Oops.
Reinforcing.
That was weird.
Oh boy.
Where did I drop my shit? Okay, it's over here.
I might have to abandon my stuff.
Yeah, I might have the super samples on me.
Yeah, you get your stuff out of there for sure. Oh, yeah. I can't get them. Too many guys.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
I just have no spear or anything for the end.
Requesting sentry.
I think he got them. Yeah, okay, he did. How's it fun? This is actually my first time playing since in like a couple weeks, I think.
Extraction request confirmed. Shuttle inbound.
Oh shit, I gotta run. That was my first time actually using it. I actually liked it before the patch.
This guy called in the evac, by the way. You
Yeah,
know that?
I'm looking at. I hate it when they do that.
I need supply. Heavy. South. Look. Tagging ETA. T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
So 50% more power. Not complaining. It's funny because when I was saying it, I thought it was like almost perfect. It's one of the probably the best feeling flamethrower in any game. I can't think of anything else that's like really felt that good. And it just like looks good too when you're like watching the flesh burn off. But it was like, and there's like I think besides like the I don't know what they're called, queens or brood mothers or I don't know what they're called, but they're the only things that like kind of would break through. So it was kind of a risk. Besides like chargers and stuff like that. So when you're like in a horde of guys, it was a pretty big risk. The only way you could really do it is at max range, kind of hit the ground
That is good.
more than the enemies and just like leave and just back up, and you'd be fine. But it wasn't as fun as like actually like hitting them. So having the 50%, I would imagine, is like honestly like perfect. Oh, that just bounced. I don't know where that went.
Calling down a sentry.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup. This is Pelican 1 preparing for touchdown. Requesting air support. Objective located. Countdown initiated. Stand by for takeoff. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
Hell yeah.
Sad I lost all my regular samples.
Oh,
for
did you?
Coleman's. Yeah, couldn't go back for
Yeah,
it.
because the guy called it.
Yeah, he called me super far away, and also they were surrounded. There's no shot.
Who called it in?
I think it was No Name because Milka.
Yeah, he was with me.
I was with you.
Ooh, Superior Valor. Do 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 do.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Patches always come a little bit of roughness. Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm by myself. Oh no,
Yeah,
everyone
I
popped
say
in.
you might be by yourself on that one.
No, it's
I'm
just
still
you.
looking at our glorious
Yeah,
ships.
it's just you.
Nice.
Where all missions are logged for analysis.
Okay.
Welcome aboard.
I'm going to options. Private. Oops.
Peace.
I don't want to like Alt F4 because I don't want to lose credit for that.
There we go.
What do you think?
It's been pretty good about that.
Oh yeah, no, I
Yeah.
haven't had this very often.
Because you got all your stuff last time.
Yeah. Okay, I have to like Alt F4 out of here.
The bridge is yours, Helldiver.
Doo-doo-doo.
Get me out of here.
Oh yeah, I gotta freaking open it. I hate how it's like it says friends only, but then I think it's in. Maybe it's only in social. Whoop! That was I just invited you to watch accidentally. Go ahead back in here.
Yeah. I'm reloading the game.
Allied destroyer has joined squadron.
I don't know how you add friends.
Allied destroyer has joined squadron.
Ooh.
And let's get you. Are you wanting to join Discord? If you join any channel, I can drag you in, Chimney.
Nice. Now I did get credit because it gave me credit for doing the personal one. Well.
I don't know if you're on my Discord. Do.
I'm gonna switch off that account. I wonder if they made it as wobbly for the breaker.
But yeah, how you been to Final Waltz? Those are some sharp spikes. Yeah. Oh my god, it went flying. That was weird. I've never had that happen before. I've been stuck underneath it though, and I had to like shake to get out. Just trying to get Pierce into chat.
I assumed.
I guess we'll do.
Mission coordinates locked. Hellpods prime.
Go.
Engaging orbital thrusters. Orbit synchronized.
Oh my god, my. I hate that the Discord. I think I reset my Discord again.
Helldivers to Hellpods. Repeat. Helldivers to Hellpods.
Did you invite him to the Discord?
Yeah, it's not letting him join though.
Invite him to just the Discord. You might be inviting him to this channel.
No,
Oh,
I
no.
do it under near the pasture.
Hellpod launch suspended.
I do like his armor though.
That's a direct invite. That shouldn't
think it
even
was
be
on
a that shouldn't even be a
Super
code.
credit store.
Unless you're using, I don't know, if you're using the web version, it might have a problem. I sometimes have a problem. We might have another channel that we're all part of.
Star Marshal.
If that doesn't work. Okay, he's gonna be a little second here.
Yeah.
It might be the web version. Yeah. 'Cause I know when I had the web version, it wasn't letting me get into some of them.
Okay. It's easy.
How do you chat again? No.
Doesn't.
Oh, have you played this game final? I can't remember if you've gone into this yet. Or you're waiting on it, weren't you? Oh my god. What a long day. What a long day today.
I think I'm gonna keep the OG airstrike, but I might go all orbital, 2 orbitals now. If they're better. Try out the 380.
Yeah.
Whatever. Yeah, give it a shot again.
Curious how much longer they are too.
Well, I've got them fully upgraded, so they should be pretty awesome. I think the play is to save. If they're planning on releasing mechs, I'm gonna save all my stuff.
Mmm.
Now. So I was just gonna buy the 2 bridge the sentry upgrades from the ship.
Yeah.
But nah, I think I'll hold off now. I think I'll wait.
I know it's like they're how much content they want to get as much content as possible. It's too bad they didn't do like 2 different things, like Max and something else. 'Cause you just know whenever you like introduce something new, everyone just fucking jumps on it. So it's like no like choice, no uniqueness. It's just everyone has Max or everyone has whatever.
Yeah, the exosuits for like extra movement. There'll probably be different types of mechs, I bet you. Because I did see one thing about one being like just an exosuit for movement and stuff. Could have been lies, but I hope they add like an armored one that's slower that just like pops off. Has artillery and stuff. But
I see you. Oh, whoops. I see you're in. I see you're in now. Yeah, just join any. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh, hello, sir.
are we playing Dota or?
Yeah. Oh, he's got no mic. What a nub.
So you can just make fun of him.
Yeah. Wow, this guy sucks. Oh, am I not the host anymore? Oh, weird. It didn't let me. Wait, this is the quick one, right? Oops. I'll go grenade launcher. Where is that?
Oh, is he talking in game?
Is he? I don't know.
I don't know.
No, we'd be able to hear. What? UAV here.
Do you have the stamina one?
Yeah, but someone else has stamina, I think.
I did.
Yeah, yeah. I got the
I'm just
muscle one
wondering,
too.
I don't know. I'm just wondering which ones to like pick because I just continuously pick stamina.
Yeah,
That's the one I just go with every time. But
Oh, we lost someone.
R.I.P. Pierce. That was Pierce.
Let them come. Let them brawl. Let them face the insurmountable might of the Helldivers.
Calling down a support weapon.
Oh, that might have gone too far.
Oh, I thought this is the defense one. Whoops.
Bug tunnel breach.
I forgot. I picked the.
Oh boy. I'm so round. Oh, Breaker still. Yeah. I will never change from Breaker, I feel like, at this point. Even if they do nerf it. Oops.
Ah, God, I had non-stop hunters and then I went to try and grab. I think we all got knocked down.
Democracy has land.
Oh boy. Okay, I'm kind of like stuck on this Battle Titan's body here.
No, I'm at it. I need to find a spot to set up.
Okay, you have to reload that forever.
Requesting sentry.
Oh.
Oh, that guy destroyed already?
Have a taste of democracy.
Try and get to my
Oh, that
stuff.
ammo full.
Don't you like to taste of freedom?
Let's see how good this is.
Oh, I'm so fucked.
Freedom never
Oh. Killed by Ohe.
reinforcement.
Hell yeah. I threw you right back in there
Yeah.
too, by the way. So heads up.
Nice, nice.
I'm out of ammo on my main. I'm in a bit of trouble.
Pointed to the enemy.
Oh, I immediately died from where you dropped me.
Requesting air support. Bug tunnel breach. Reporting to the front.
Parks were not able to get set up.
Yeah. It's pretty wild out here. Moment.
Oh, I got someone's backpack.
Oh boy.
I think they made the map part smaller.
I think so too. I've keep going out of the combat zone.
Yeah. I know it's small, but it's way more small now.
Oh, I'm pushing. I'm pushing V instead of C. God damn it.
There we go, we finally got my stuff.
I'm dead. Okay, I think I got it.
Calling down a sentry.
Oh. Oh.
Requesting
Never mind.
coverage.
I got trampled as soon as I got it. Oh.
Not as that big anything. Oh.
Instant death again. Go for the bell titan. Oh, I hit its side. Oh boy.
Calling in reinforcements.
We get in.
New mag.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart. Shuttle launch in 20 seconds.
Oh, come on, buddy. Jump it.
Oh, he's in!
Oh,
Oh. I don't know if he's dead or not.
You have maintained our way of life.
Yeah.
The red doll.
I'm going back to spear. Railgun ain't hitting it anymore for me. Oh.
That was so close. Pardon me.
Barrier of Valor. That was great. Possibly the hardest one for last.
Yeah, I've never done this one. I just picked completely the wrong gear. For some reason, I thought this was search and destroy.
Oh.
So that's why I picked the jetpack and the grenade launcher, and I'm like,
I picked Railgun to try it out, and the Barrage to try it out. It's weird. It does look strong, but I don't know. Didn't get that much out of it, aside from team killing you.
honestly, actually, I was already like, I had like a sliver of health. I was surrounded by hunters, and I was reloading. So I was like, oh, I'm dead. And then right away, I was like, oh hey, I'm like, oh nice, I can just blame it on the honey.
Nice. Sick. So this one's like a stationary evacuation one.
Yeah. What is this one? Spray and pray? Oh yeah. Loosen up.
Mission coordinates locked.
So that, yeah, okay.
Hellpods primed. Engaging orbital thrusters.
Oh, it's a big map. Is that bigger than normal? Big map for a...
Yeah, you can pick, but we want to spawn right on it because we want to start this like ASAP.
What about here?
Oh, it doesn't let me pick anymore unless everyone's in.
Hellpod launch initiated.
Ding, 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 ding. Yeah, what did you end up getting that div? Chicken Delight, I don't think I've ever had that. I've heard of it though.
Let them come. Let them brawl. Let them face the insurmountable might of the Helldivers.
Support weapon inbound. Calling down support weapon.
I got a group headed. It changes, right? It's not all the same.
I think we can keep calling on the same. Or there's like multiple areas we can. Of course.
Not familiar with all of the ones.
Requesting orbital strike.
Oh, the civilians are getting killed.
Requesting advanced weaponry.
Oh my god, all the little ones just killed all those people.